taken the UFC by storm. In fact, he sold out the O2 Dublin in record time and is a true hero in his home country of Ireland. One of the most polarizing figures in the UFC today. The
notorious one believes that he will dominate inside the octagon for many years.
Conor McGregor is one of the most creative and dynamic fighters in the UFC's featherweight division today. He is also one of the most loved fighters to ever come out of Ireland.
Conor McGregor enters the octagon, and he's ready to fight. Born and raised in Dagestan, Russia, Khabib Nurmagomedov. He won titles twice in the Russian combat rankings, also a two-time world Sambo champion. One of the best takedown artists that we've ever seen compete in the octagon. The Eagle, Khabib Nurmagomedov.
He is a cardio machine, Mike. He always comes in incredible condition, and that's arguably one of the most important aspects of mixed martial arts training. Once your cardio goes, so does everything else. But this is one guy who definitely won't be losing because he ran out of gas.
Our tail of the tape for our main event of the evening. Both of our fighters are 27. McGregor will have a 4-inch reach advantage. And with the official introductions, here's Bruce Buffer.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the main event of the evening. And when the action begins, our referee in charge, Dan Pergliata. And now, this is the moment UFC fans around the world have been waiting for. Live from the sold-out Madison Square Garden in New York City. It's time! Third round in the UFC light.
This man is a mixed martial artist holding a professional record of 20 wins, 3 losses. He stands 5 feet 9 inches tall, weighing in at 155 pounds. Fighting out of Dublin, Ireland, the notorious Conor McGregor. And now introducing his opponent, fighting out of the red corner. This man is a mixed martial artist holding a professional record of 23 wins, no losses. He stands 5 feet 10 inches tall, weighing in at 155 pounds. Fighting out of the Republic of Dagestan, Russia, Khabib, the Eagle, Nurmagomedov. All right, great to lose the locker room. I want you to obey my commands at all times, protect yourself at all times. Nice, clean, safe fight. Touch gloves, match your corners, come out. The fight is finally here. We have been talking about this matchup for months. Both men ready to lay it all on the line. Ready? And here we go! Tonight's main event is scheduled for 5 5-minute rounds.
One thing to keep an eye out for in this fight are the counter shots of Conor McGregor.
Joey did a nice job blocking that punch.
Hard one to the body.
Swinging early, both men. Big hook.
He's doing a great job of timing these shots.
Oh, head kick to kick.
Beautiful body shot there, too.
Oh, he's landing. Oh, big right.
Oh, what an exchange. Vicious
scores.
Powerful uppercut.
Oh my goodness!
He's hurt, Mike. And he's getting rocked here early. Hurt him with that right. Combination. Nice jab. Beautiful body shot there, too. He hurt him with that hook.
Oh, he's landing at will.
Hard straight punch.
Bam to the butt.
Big shots.
Oh, that one hurt him. Oh, Joe, another strong jab. Joe, everyone in attendance tonight might actually be Irish. Listen to the support for Conor McGregor.
Nice combination.
Oh!
Trying to stay out of trouble here.
Oh, that rocked him.
Big huge right. Unbelievable. Look at this. Beautiful knockout strike here for the victory.
Салам достор. Сиздер менен мен Байман. Бул видеону интернеттен алдым. Конор Макгрегор менен Хабиб Нурмагомедов UFC оюндар 6 октябрь күнү болот дедиле. Ошого ушул YouTube'дан видеону алдым. Сиздер эмне деп ойлойсуңар? Хабиб утабы жеңеби же Конор Макгрегор жеңеби? Комментарийге жазып кетсеңер.